Hi guys, welcome to Tel Aviv. Thank you so much for downloading my app. This time I released a new feature to become a cabin crew. Now you can dress like a flight attendant. Enjoy!
Besides the Become a Cabin Crew feature, you can capture yourself and watch your memories from the newly released gallery. With or without a scarf, with or without makeup, the choice is yours. This lovely filter offers countless possibilities and will keep expanding. Do you love what you are seeing? Share your timeless look on Instagram. And we are taxing the Airbus A380 in Tel Aviv Sport. Let's go bigger. Now we can fly the Airbus A380 on the sea too. And you can even capture or share this gorgeous aircraft from landmarks across the world.
That's the story. I hope you will have a great fun in my app. Until the next update, bye bye!